Most people think faceless YouTube channels fail because of bad editing. That's not the real reason. Some creators upload terrible videos and still explode with views. Meanwhile, other people spend 10 hours editing one video just to get ignored by the algorithm. So what actually separates growing channels from dead channels? It's not effort, it's not luck, and it's definitely not motivation. It's understanding what actually matters on YouTube before wasting months doing the wrong things. Because right now, most beginners are unknowingly killing their channels before they even have a chance to grow. Today, we are breaking down the 7 silent mistakes destroying faceless channels. And the last one is a brutal truth almost nobody wants to admit. Let's start with number 1. The first mistake is copying successful creators too closely. This destroys channels faster than people realize. Most beginners study a big channel, then copy the same thumbnails, same editing style, same voice, same pacing, same topics, and then wonder why nobody watches. But think about it, if viewers already watch the original creator, why would they switch to the copy? YouTube does not reward duplication, it rewards differentiation. Your channel needs identity, not imitation. The second mistake is weak hooks, and this silently kills retention. Most creators waste the first 30 seconds saying absolutely nothing important. Hey guys, welcome back. Before we start, today I'll be showing you. By that point, viewers are already leaving. And here's what most beginners never realize. When viewers leave early, YouTube notices immediately. That weak opening doesn't just hurt retention, it kills distribution. Strong videos create curiosity instantly, not introductions. Curiosity, tension, questions, something that forces the brain to stay. The third mistake is believing YouTube automation means low effort. This is where many faceless channels completely collapse, because AI tools made people think they can mass upload emotionless content and somehow win. That worked years ago, not now. Viewers can instantly feel when a video has no human direction, no structure, no energy, no intention, and the algorithm notices it too. AI should increase efficiency, not replace creativity. The fourth mistake is choosing dead or overcrowded niches, and this mistake wastes months. Some niches look easy because thousands of people are making videos in them, but that's exactly the problem. You're entering a war zone with no positioning. Then beginners blame the algorithm, when the real issue is discoverability. Easy niches usually become saturated first. The smarter move is finding specific, underserved topics people are actively searching for, but top creators are ignoring. That's where channels quietly explode. The fifth mistake is inconsistency, and this kills momentum more than people think. One upload today, nothing for 2 weeks, then another random upload later. That confuses both viewers and the algorithm, because YouTube learns from patterns. Consistency creates data, and data helps YouTube understand who to recommend your content to. Most channels don't fail because they are bad. They fail because they disappear too often. The sixth mistake is terrible thumbnails. And honestly, this alone destroys countless videos. Some creators spend 10 hours editing, then spend 5 minutes making the thumbnail. That makes no sense, because the thumbnail controls the click. And without the click, the video never gets a chance to prove itself. A weak thumbnail can bury a strong video instantly. The seventh mistake is obsessing over subscribers instead of retention. This is one of the biggest misconceptions on YouTube. A small channel with high retention can outperform a larger channel easily, because YouTube cares more about viewer behavior than subscriber count. If people stay, YouTube keeps testing the video. If people leave, distribution slows down immediately. Retention is leverage, not subscribers. And finally, most faceless YouTube channels fail for one reason nobody wants to hear. The creator quits too early, not because the niche is dead, not because the algorithm is unfair, not because YouTube is impossible. They quit before their skills compound. Most successful creators looked invisible at the beginning. Most had weak thumbnails, weak hooks, weak editing, low views, but they improve. And improvement changes everything on YouTube, because every upload teaches patterns, every mistake teaches positioning, every failure teaches attention. The creators who study, adapt, improve, and continue uploading eventually become difficult to ignore, and that is the real difference between creators who grow and creators who disappear.